Welcome back to WorldCraft Logistics, your one-stop logistic needs. This is an instruction video on how to use our new driver check-in system. Using just a QR code, this new simple system is created to optimize your check-in experience with WorldCraft Logistics, whether if you are dropping off your packages or picking them up. This will be sure to make your transition easier, faster, and more efficient. Firstly, when you arrive at our gate, this QR code will be at the entrance for you to scan. After scanning the QR code with your phone, it will lead you to this page, where you can fill in all the necessary information, like the reference number, your trucking company name, if you are with any of these companies, you can select them. Your name, your trailer number, cell phone number. If you have an appointment, please select yes. If you do not, please select no. Provide us your load type, live unload, or a drop-off. Are you doing LCL, FCL? Is it an inbound or an outbound delivery? You can also upload your files, photos of your bill of lading or POD, so we can find and confirm your load. After select continue, your submission has been alerted to our warehouse team, and they will contact you shortly after finding you an available dock. And there you have it. A dock has been assigned to you. You can freely move your truck to the assigned dock number that appeared on your phone. We will send a message to your cell phone or reach out to you by phone if we have more instructions. And that is the end of the video. Hope you find it easy to navigate.